How to withdraw money from bybit to Binance. Now, money in this case, it will be like USDT, Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDC, or any kind of cryptos that you have on your Bybit account. Now, to withdraw money from Bybit to Binance, first of all, you need to log into your account and tap on Assets. Now tap on Withdraw. And as you can see from the search, you can select your token. For this case, I will use the USDT. Now, after that, what you need to do, just select your token, as you can see. And here you can now find this information. Set the network first. I prefer to set it to like the BIP 20. And now to get the address, we need to go to our Binance account. Now to get the USDT address from your Binance, first of all, tap on Assets. And as you can see here, tap on Deposit. And from here, select the USDT. And as you can see, as you set the network BIP 20 in Bybit, you need to set it exactly the same in the Binance. Now after that, tap on BIP. And now as you can see, you can copy the address from here and go back to your Bybit account. As you can see, paste the address here. Now after that, what you need to do, just type the amount that you want to withdraw. And after that, just tap on withdraw and you will receive that money on your Binance. So this is how to withdraw money from Bybit to Binance. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.